Today we're going to learn how to repair a MacBook Pro laptop screen. This is a Laptop Pro 2015. We'll be right back. We're changing out the MacBook Pro 2015 screen. First, we have to remove all 10 screws from the back of the laptop. It's very common that these strip out. So that's exactly what happened to me. These actually stripped out. Apple uses Loctite on the screws, but it's common that this happens. Let's take off the bottom cover, since that's taken care of. So now we have this. So now we need to be very careful, because now the whole laptop is actually we have the screen is here. We got the Wi-Fi adapter. Because the screen that we received, it's the whole bezel. So we have to be very, very careful what we do here, and we just have to be extremely careful. So I pulled up this plastic piece here. This rubber grommet. It's like really, really gentle in what you do, because we got to take the laptop, because the screen here, we need to pull this whole thing out. You see the screen? How horrible it is. My area is very clean and secure here, but so just so you know, what this is, the M.2 memory. It's right here. There's no like SSD in this. Well, like a regular 2.5-inch SSD. This uses the M.2, which is right here. This is a Samsung drive. That's right here. These are the CPU fans here and here. This guy has a cat or some sort of an animal, because it's laden with hair. So what we got to do is we got to be real careful. Okay, on the far right here and the far left, you got these two plastic pieces, and that's where the monitor or the LCD gets connected to. I'll take pictures and show them. If we take these off, then you get to the screws. So that's pretty much what we need for the hinges. But we got to be very careful, because all of the connections on this are right here. This is the Wi-Fi and camera connections are here. What Apple did was a stupid thing. And they made everything a T5 screw type. They could have made it bigger, because everything else is much bigger, but I guess they want to make it slick. Continue taking this off, going down the line here, ever so carefully. It's like really fragile. since we have this apart, I was taking the heat sink and fans off because I want to make sure that they're clear of dust. Now this can overheat very easily and quickly, so I want to make sure that that the heat sink and stuff is free of debris and dust. So we're going to be doing that now, since I just took off the screen. These are all T5s, just so you know. Here we go. A little bit of dust there. So the CPU, got some moisture on here. It's interesting. Let's get some like beads of water right here or something. So this looks like it needs to have some more thermal paste on this. This is definitely not enough. So we're going to reapply thermal paste on here because this is unacceptable. I don't like that. So what I'm going to do now is clean off I don't want to get the debris in the inside of the machine. Clean it off here. That's interesting. It's got AMD on it. So this is the Intel. So you got the CPU and the GPU. You can clearly see, and then it's got AMD on here. The AMD CPU with some sort of processor here. Gotta be very careful with this. I use a magnifying glass to get this on. Tends to work a lot better. So now we need to put this through. You have to push all this stuff in the channel. They're all too peel and stick. Really? We're all back together again. See? All better. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Joe Tech Tips, and this is replacing a MacBook Pro 2015 A1398 screen.